Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles is slowly damaging your joints? Let's bust this myth. For years, people have claimed that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis or other joint issues. But guess what? There's no scientific evidence to support that. When you crack your knuckles, all you're doing is causing gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints to burst. It might sound dramatic, but it's completely harmless. So, are you a knuckle cracker or someone who avoids it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick health facts. Share this with someone who cracks their knuckles constantly.